G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alright, I made these things end of last week for the kids when they got home from school. I just used whatever I had in the house to make them up, and they absolutely loved them, and they've been hounding me to make them ever since. So I thought if they were that impressed with them, I might do a little video on them. Now I'm going to make them the exact same way as I made them, and like I said, I was using what I had, so you can absolutely change the ingredients up and put anything you want with them. We ended up coming up with the name of Ham and Cheese Frenchies. Alright, first thing we need to do is preheat our ovens at 190 degrees Celsius. We need one baking tray with baking paper. Now for the bread, I went down and got a loaf of unsliced bread from the bakery. So I'm going to cut 12 nice fat slices. Into a jug we want 4 eggs and 1 cup of milk, and then we want to whisk it up. Now for the inside of the Frenchies, I'm going to be slicing up some Cracker Barrel cheese. Now we need some sliced virgin ham. In English it's called Virginian. And for the top, I'm going to be using the Devondale 3 cheese blend, which is grated cheese. Get a nice wide bowl and put your egg mix in. Grab your baking tray with your baking paper. Okay, for the first one, we want to float it for about 5 seconds. Pick it up, let it drip off, and we want the egg side down onto the paper. Alright, once we've done that, I'll load them up with cheese. Once we've done that, I'll now put a generous amount of virgin ham on it. Once we've done that, I'm going to stick just a few more bits of the sliced cheese on, just randomly, just to stick it all together. Once we've done that, for the tops, we are now going to put the bread in for 5 seconds. And we're going to turn it over for 5 seconds. And onto the top it goes. Get as much excess off as you can. And do that with all of them. Once we've done that, I then got some sliced ham and I chopped it really, really small. And then I sprinkled that over the top. Now we get our grated cheese and we put a little bit on the top. And now we bang them in the oven. 28 minutes later in my plain electric oven. Oh yeah, baby! So I'll just get an egg flip to separate them all properly, and then slide them off one at a time, cut them up, and away you go. So the kids say it's like a pizza on the top and it's like French toast on the bottom. So you've got your beautiful crunchy top, you've got your beautiful inside, and then you've got your beautiful French toast on the bottom. When you serve them up, you're better off cutting them up in quarters straight away. And then when you stack them on your plate, you want to stack them up standing up, and that will stop them from going soggy. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Ham and Cheese Frenchies. Give them a crack, your family's going to love them. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!